Designed for looks, built for life. The VTech CS6919 series has the features you need and the style you crave at a price you'll love. Carry on hands-free conversations as you go about your day, knowing you won't miss a word thanks to a full duplex speakerphone. Need some peace? Use Call Block to prevent unwanted calls from ringing through, or Quiet Mode to silence the ringer altogether. Add up to 4 handsets and expand your coverage, so there's no more running across the house to answer a call. Plus, this system is available with or without a built-in answering system, and in your choice of silver, blue, or red for even more options. With the CS6919 series from VTech, you get form and function at a great price.
Sure, plain and simple has its charm, but sleek and powerful is so much more satisfying. The AT&T CL82201 handset answering system. A powerful combination of innovation, quality, and convenience. The CL82201 gives you crystal clear conversations with up to 500 feet of range, while HD audio takes sound quality to the next level. With Caller ID Announce, you'll know who's calling without getting up. Plus, the push-to-talk feature turns your handsets into walkie-talkies at the touch of a button. Best of all, the CL82201 is ready to expand when you are. Buy in bundles of 2, 3, or 4 handsets, or add as you go. The choice is yours. The CL82201 2 handset answering system from AT&T. A powerful combination of innovation, quality, and convenience. Boats have anchors. You have the VTech CS6619 corded cordless answering system. Its corded base keeps you grounded, while the cordless handset gives you the freedom to take your calls farther. A combination that means you'll never have to scramble to find a ringing cordless handset. Plus, handset and base speakerphones make hands-free conversation easy. And a built-in caller ID call waiting ensures you'll always know who's on the line. The VTech CS6619 corded cordless answering system. A fully featured desk phone with the mobility of a cordless handset. Enjoy the freedom.